When you're considering window replacement or upgrades for your Fayetteville home, choosing the right material is just as important as selecting the window style. Double-hung windows are a popular option in the region because they offer excellent ventilation, timeless curb appeal, and easy maintenance. But with Fayetteville's unique mix of humid summers, occasional winter chills, and seasonal storms, the material you choose can greatly impact durability, energy efficiency, and long-term performance. Below, we'll explore the best materials for double-hung windows in Fayetteville's climate and how each one can meet your needs as a homeowner. Vinyl windows. Affordable and low-maintenance vinyl remains one of the most popular materials for double-hung windows in Fayetteville. It is cost-effective, resists moisture, and requires very little upkeep, making it a solid choice for humid southern summers. Because vinyl frames are non-porous, they won't warp, rot, or peel even after years of exposure to humidity and rainfall. Many modern vinyl windows also feature insulated frames and advanced weather stripping, helping you keep cooling costs down during hot summer months. For homeowners looking for an affordable solution with strong energy efficiency, vinyl double-hung windows are a dependable option. Wood windows. Timeless beauty with added care. Wood has long been valued for its natural charm and traditional appearance. Double-hung windows crafted from wood bring warmth and elegance to Fayetteville homes, especially in older or historic neighborhoods. However, wood requires more upkeep in humid climates. Without regular painting or sealing, it can be vulnerable to rot, mold, or insect damage. The good news is that many modern wood windows are treated or clad with protective materials to extend their life. If you love the look of wood but want extra durability, consider wood-clad windows, which combine a wood interior with a weather-resistant exterior. This way, you enjoy the best of both worlds, classic beauty inside and reliable protection outside. Fiberglass windows. Strength and stability. Fiberglass is one of the strongest and most dimensionally stable window materials available today. It expands and contracts very little with temperature changes, which makes it ideal for Fayetteville's seasonal swings. Unlike wood, fiberglass won't warp or swell in humid conditions, and unlike vinyl, it can be painted if you ever want to change your home's look. Its superior insulation properties make fiberglass double-hung windows an excellent choice for homeowners focused on reducing heating and cooling bills. Though fiberglass tends to cost more upfront, its durability and energy savings make it a smart long-term investment. Aluminum windows. Lightweight and weather-resistant aluminum double-hung windows are known for their sleek profiles and modern appeal. They are resistant to rust and stand up well to Fayetteville's humid summers. Because aluminum is lightweight yet strong, it allows for slimmer frames and larger glass areas, maximizing natural light in your home. That said, aluminum is not as energy efficient as vinyl or fiberglass. Without a thermal break, it can transfer heat and cold more readily, which may increase utility costs. If you prefer the look and strength of aluminum, choose models designed with insulated frames to improve energy efficiency. Composite windows. The best of multiple materials. Composite windows are engineered from a mix of materials, often combining the strength of fiberglass, the insulation of wood, and the low maintenance of vinyl. This hybrid construction makes them exceptionally durable and resistant to the humidity and seasonal storms common in Fayetteville. For homeowners who want a long-lasting solution without compromise, composite double-hung windows offer high energy performance, excellent durability, and customizable finishes. While they may come with a higher price tag, they provide outstanding value over time. Choosing the right window for your home. When selecting the best material for double-hung windows in Fayetteville, it's important to weigh your priorities. If budget and easy upkeep are your main concerns, vinyl is an excellent choice. If you prefer a timeless look, wood or wood-clad options may be best. For superior strength and long-term stability, fiberglass or composites are worth the investment. Aluminum, with its modern style, works well if paired with energy-efficient upgrades. No matter which material you choose, Working with a trusted local window company ensures your windows are properly installed and designed to handle Fayetteville's climate. With the right material, your double-hung windows will not only enhance your home's beauty but also improve comfort and efficiency year-round.